In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Figma. Whether you are using the desktop app or working in a web browser, the process is quick and consistent, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can sign out with confidence. Start by opening Figma in the desktop app or in your preferred browser. The interface is nearly identical in both places, so the same steps apply. Before you sign out, it's a good habit to make sure any files you've been working on are saved and closed. Figma autosaves frequently, but giving your tabs a quick check helps avoid surprises. Once Figma is open, look at the top left corner of the file browser. That's where your account menu lives. You'll see your avatar, a profile image or a circle with your initials, and sometimes your name next to it. Click that area to open the account menu. This is the main hub for your profile settings and sign out options in the drop-down that appears. Head to the bottom and choose Logout. As soon as you click it, Figma will end that session and return you to the sign-in screen in the desktop app or log you out of the active browser session. If you had multiple Figma tabs open in the same browser, those sessions will reflect the change once they refresh. If you use more than one Figma account on the same device, you may also see an option labeled Log Out of All Accounts. Selecting this will sign you out of every active account on that device. It's especially helpful if you switch between work and personal accounts or if you are finishing up on a shared or public computer. Just remember that the next time you open Figma, you'll need to sign back in to the account you want to use. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.